Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Happy Birthday on the harmonica. To begin, you will need a standard 10-hole diatonic harmonica, specifically in the key of C. Hold the instrument comfortably, ensuring the lowest notes are positioned on your left side. Practice blowing air out and drawing air in through individual holes to get a feel for single notes. This foundational step is crucial for clear and precise playing. All right, let's dive into the first part of Happy Birthday. We'll begin with a 4 blow, pushing air out of hole 4. Then, draw air in through hole 4. Next, blow into hole 5, and finally, blow into hole 4 again. Focus on making each note distinct and smooth. Repeat these 4 notes several times to build muscle memory and a clear sound. Now, let's add the TU section. Immediately after our last 4 blow, we'll play a 6 blow, pushing air out of hole 6. Then, draw air in through hole 5. This completes the first full line of the song. Try connecting all 6 notes smoothly, focusing on a consistent rhythm. Remember, slow and steady practice helps you master the transitions. To complete the entire Happy Birthday melody, you will utilize notes from holes 4 through 8. The full tune involves repeating and slightly varying the patterns we've learned. Practice the entire song in short, 15-minute bursts daily. Listening to the original melody will help you internalize the rhythm and timing, making your harmonica playing sound fantastic. Keep practicing, and you'll be playing it beautifully in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.